tell me what's happening, I tell you what's popping, now we know what's up. I'm praying for patience, but gotta be patient, I'm building my trust up. It's your intuition, you gotta go with it, must follow your gut. I let you be free, I try not to be clingy, I don't wanna fuck up. You tell me what's happening, I tell you what's popping, now we know what's up. I'm praying for patience, but gotta be patient, I'm building my trust up. It's your intuition, you gotta go with it, must follow your gut.
What's poppin', y'all? Today I'm here because I recorded this bomb look for y'all today. Listen, this look was a struggle, and I will tell you why. It's not even hard. This is more of a mental thing for me because I haven't done a look in so long, and this was literally all discouragement. I hope you can't see it all over my face in this tutorial, but child, it was taking everything in me to do this tutorial and to just keep going, and it turned out pretty raw. I like it. It's pretty, it's different, it's subtle. Like, you know, like you didn't notice all of that extra stuff until I zoomed in on the camera. You feel me? So I really do like this a lot. Also, my hair. Stay tuned. That video will be coming. So I'm probably going to record it right after I get off. But stay tuned, okay? Because I know y'all going to want to ask, and I know y'all going to want to know. No, I'm just playing. But I really hope that y'all enjoy this to look today. Yeah, I really hope you do. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and the main thing that I always ask you to do, pretty please subscribe. I need as much subscribers as possible. I want to talk to y'all, and please interact with me. Honestly, comment, talk to me, tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. If you dislike my video, please tell me why you didn't like me. Like it, because I saw that there was a dislike on a couple of them, and I was just like, what did I do to make you mad? I'm just playing. But for real though, please talk to me. Like, I love to talk. Contact me. I put all my stuff below for y'all to find me and all that good stuff. So have a great day, and I hope you guys enjoy. See y'all. Okay, F it, we just gonna jump right into this joint. I'm gonna just force myself to really do a look, and y'all just gonna get the uncut me today because I'm really just trying to really get into it. Let's do orange. F it, we're gonna take this orange and just apply that in the bird, and I'm just gonna flutter it out. So first I'd like to tap it in to really get the pigment on there. On my base, I don't really set it with anything. I just tap it in first, and then we can blow it out, buff it out. Now this was this orange shade right here in my Morphe palette, my 35C. So now I'm gonna take Jamila. I feel like it's a J, but I feel like that's probably Jamila. It's that really pretty, this burnt orange. I'm gonna really tap that above it and blend it out. Do the same thing. You dig it? I don't know what this is about to look like. Okay. Ooh. So then I'm gonna take xoxo, which is kind of like, I feel like the same. We're really going with some oranges today. And I'm gonna work xoxo on the outer edge. Oof. Big oof. All right. All right. All right. Okay. Please shut up. Please be quiet. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. So I'm gonna keep on going. We're gonna, you know, keep blending and blending and blending and blending until we don't look so blow up-ish anymore. Because I like this little Yamata. Katsu mate, my brother. Katsu mate. I'm going to take Yamata and apply that right in. Ooh. Ah. Whoa. I'm doing this without my handheld mirror because I'm pretty sure somebody stole it. I wouldn't go that far, but it's definitely gone. It's missing, and I can't find it. So I'm assuming somebody took it from me, because Brittany does not do any wrong. Literally, my grandmother. I guess this one time my grandmother was gonna whip me, and I literally looked at her and I was like, "But I'm Brittany." I'm sure I still got whooped. Next, what are we gonna do next? What are we gonna do next? What are we gonna do next? We're gonna create a cut crease. Like, this is really how I be talking to myself throughout the day. Like, Brittany, no, bro. Like, I be having to check myself.
Hello. Too long.
Wow, should I make that into a story time? I just thought about something the time that I like literally almost lost my man by doing some dumb stuff. Like, I feel like that story just goes to show how dramatic of a person I truly am. It's almost disgusting. So there was this one time, and this just goes to show that I'm a really dramatic piece of crap, and I'm so extra, and I'm effing crazy. And once I tell this story, you guys are gonna be like, why is he with you? And I'm gonna reply, I have no idea, because I would have left me too. I had spent the weekend with him, and this was like when we not first started talking, but it was pretty up there. Like, this is some dumb stuff that I did, and I'm so mad at myself to this day for doing it. But I'm about to apply pink. I stayed the weekend with my man, and I be crazy when it be coming around the time of PMSing. I become a psychopath, and my thoughts do not be making sense. They literally be all up in the air. So I decided that I was gonna, call it quits with my man, because my brain had me thinking that that is what I should have did, when I was just tweaking for no reason. Like, I just had this big wave of, he doesn't care about me, he doesn't this, but I just spent the whole weekend with him, and he literally was making sure I ate, like, stupid, just me being dumb. So I, being the person that I am, decided that I would write a letter, a note, because he went to school, I was still in his room, in his house. So me being the person I am, decided I was gonna write a letter and leave it on his bed for him to see when he got home. I left the letter, and I went on about my day. Now I get back, something in me is like, the whole ride, like, back, I'm like, I should not have left this letter. I'm like, I need to go get it, whatever. But it was too late. We're already too far. There's really nothing I could do except just wait, and hopefully he called me. Tried to call him later on that day when I knew he was done of classes. Of course, he did not answer. Of course not. So I was like, okay, keep trying. I called like 12 times. Not an answer. So I said, okay, well, that sucks. So then, time goes by. I'm still trying to contact this man. He was not hearing it at all. Like, he was not even gonna answer, never answered me, whatever. Like, I was literally going through it. I was so sad. Whatever. So I came across this event. I knew he was gonna be there, and I was gonna go there and try to talk to him. Big mistake, okay? So I go there. It was this event that he was like technically throwing with his organization that he's in. And I don't know why I thought it was gonna be a good idea to talk to him there, because I'm an idiot. So I tried to do that, and basically, well, fast forward, and I left the club crying because it was an awful idea for me to try to do that. I was so embarrassed with myself that literally I just was like, okay, F it, I'm done trying. Like, that was literally the time I was like, I'm not gonna try it. I was literally like, I'm not gonna try to talk to him ever again. It's like, he wins, whatever. There was another event that was really, really important to him, and I knew, like, I knew how important it was to him. I was like while he was preparing for it, I was like with him, not with him, but like we were together. So I made up my mind and I wasn't going to go. And I told my friends, I said, I'm not going. I said, that's that. We're done. That's that saga. Whatever. So literally was like, okay, F it. I'm not going. I'm not going to do it. I was like, let me go. Because I was actually talking to somebody else. And they told me that this was a huge deal. And if I missed it, to just kiss him goodbye forever. And I was low-key like, okay, like, maybe that's what that means I should do, is kiss him goodbye. So I ended up going. Like, I finally put my pride aside, and I was like, okay, this is the last. Literally was like, okay, this is the final straw. Like everything else I wasn't doing wasn't enough. But I was just like, okay, this is the final straw. Like, literally was like, okay, and if he, you know, doesn't want to talk to you still, chalk it up. So I ended up going. We finally talked. He still didn't want to deal with me, but we finally talked. We got through it, and now that's my dog. Okay, well, I didn't really explain. So like, at the event that really meant a lot to him, I texted him something wild. And then, yeah, like, he talked to me, but he was still mad at me, and he, like, didn't really, like, want anything to do with me for real. But then I just forced my way back into his life. And now, we're untouchable, uncrushable. No, I'm just kidding. But for real, like, now I just kind of, you know, like, that's me, man, to an extent. On a good day, that's him, that's me. Bada boom, bada bam, bada boom, bada bam. You feel me? But yeah, me and my man, like, we're very different, I feel like. And that'd be so hard. Like, I feel like him, he's very chill, he's very laid back. And I can be too, but he's just too damn chill, too laid back. Like, I'm on the go all the time. Like, let's do this, let's do this, like, and he's cool with just chilling. Like, we can be in the house, we can, you know, and I'm cool with that too. But I don't know, like, I'm just more, I be trying to do too much. I feel like he be getting me together because my mind will be all over the place on one thing, and I'm just out of control. And he'll be the one to, like, okay, you need to do this, you need to, you know, try to get me back on track. And I really appreciate that from him. I do appreciate him. With that being said, this look is different. It's taking a different turn. I don't know how I feel about it. Boom. I look like that action. So, taking this orange. Again, I'm gonna apply it. Over the liner. Well, I'm going to, I look kind of like a Barbie. No, I don't. I don't look like a Barbie. I look like a mess. Next, I'm gonna apply this glitter. Taking a light layer of e.l.f. glitter glue. I'm going to apply that right where, ooh. Relax my head. Okay, here's another key. When working with glitter, please wipe that away before you decide to put foundation on your face. Like, you've got to be kidding me if you thought that you were just gonna put, and I see this from makeup artists. What the heck is going through your head? Who clean off your client before you put some freaking glitter, put some foundation on her face. Like, are you serious? Yeah, and I'm gonna pop my lashes on. This is what we're looking like right now. Freaking rad, man. This is a radical look. So taking this green shadow and just pat it on. Then I'll take mascara, anything I really have. I'm gonna use the Miss Manga. So yes, I hope that you guys enjoy. This is the final look. As you can see, I'm popping. I look cute. You know. I'm so funny. I'm so awkwardly funny. Like, it's just awkward. But yes, like, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and like and subscribe like I said earlier. Stay raw. Stay live. Talk to me. Interact with me. Actually, don't even look at my hands. I'm like a little boy. But yes, like, please keep up to date with me. And I really am enjoying this, and I'm coming back hard. And I hope y'all see that too. So yeah, bye. Well, yes, this is the finished project, and I hope that you guys really liked this tutorial. I know it was a little all over the place, but you know, in due time we're gonna get it all together. You know, you feel me? So yes, I hope that you guys please like and subscribe and comment. Talk to me, because I love comments. I love to talk. Definitely. So I hope you enjoy. Peace.